Top 5 products to sell this winter, Shopify Dropshipping 2022. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another video, and this video will be a bit different because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all the different products that you can sell or drop ship on Shopify, and you can get a lot of customers and you can make a lot of money off of it, because these products are in nowadays because it's the winters and people obviously they're freezing out there and they need some products to keep themselves warm. So I'm going to tell you the top 5 products which are going to make you a lot of money for drop shipping. So it's going to be very simple, very easy. I'm going to relocate those videos with Google Trends as well, and you can check them out on AliExpress, Alibaba as well. They're on all different platforms. You can check them all out, and it's going to be very simple, very descriptive, and very easy. So without further ado, without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. So the first product we're going to be discussing is, let's open Google Trends here before going into any products. Now, if you don't know what Google Trends is, please get familiarized with it. Google Trends is this amazing Google service where you can search a term or topic and it's going to show you if it's really like searched a lot. And trust me, if you're a dropshipper, you need to start using this, because according to this, you can tell if a product is going to be drop shipped enough for you to make a lot of money. So now that we have that out of the way, the first product that we're going to be seeing is a full body neck massager with heat. Now, if we go on images, I'm going to show you these different products. This is how the product is going to look like. And you can see it's on all these different types of marts. It's on Walmart.com. It's on Alibaba, AliExpress. You can check it all out. Basically, what this product is, it's a soothing massage chair that obviously soothes your muscles. And as you can see, it also heats them up. So basically, if your muscles are sore or cold from a very freezing day outside, you can come home, relax, and have this right by your side, and this will heat you up instantly with a nice massage. And obviously people would kill for this. And if we go on, let's go on Amazon to check its price. Let's load this up. As we can see, it's in decent range. It's $36, and that is amazing range. In this range, you can get a soothing heater with great massage services. And let's go up here. Let's search our full body neck massager. So let's search full body neck massager. Let's look that up. Now, if we look that up, and if you go to our Google Trends, what's going to happen now, make sure to obviously, as you can see, if you don't have the proper, spelling of a product or anything, then you're probably not going to get it. So obviously what you need to do is you're going to need to find the proper product. So let's say this is called the Shiatsu neck and back massager. So you're going to put that in. So the Shiatsu neck and back massager, and obviously you can check it with this. So if we click on it and we wait for it to load, what's going to happen right now, maybe the Google Trends regions are off. So what's going to happen is it's going to show you this graph where it's going to show that all the products, or the product that you have written in, the graph is going to be insanely high. And obviously that's going to show that this product is in nowadays, and this is a great product for you. So now that we have this product out of the way, let's move on to our next one. Our next product is going to be the electric heating blanket. Now, the electric heating blanket is also a great product to dropship, because obviously a blanket in general is the coziest thing ever. People love being in their blankets. But if they have a blanket which heats itself in an instant, that is a save from all the freeze. And again, if someone comes out from a freezing day and he or she just wants to get warm, they can buy this heated blanket. And obviously a lot of people are going to buy it in the holiday season or the winter season. So I wish that you just start drop shipping this product, because if we go on Amazon and we check the prices, you can see that heated blankets again are in the $34 to $41 range, and it's a steal. A product like this for this less price, it's just a steal. and just start drop shipping these, because again, in the Google Trends, I cross-checked it and it has amazing reviews, and a lot of people are looking for this or ordering this. And it goes without saying why someone would order this, because obviously it's an item that keeps you warm, and that's the most important thing when it comes to winter. So I recommend that you start drop shipping this as well, because I guarantee if you do it, you're going to make a ton of money. So now that we have got that out of the way, let's go to our next, which is the square LED ceiling lamp. Now, this does not have a lot to do with winters, but a lot of people I saw are ordering this in the winter season, because obviously it does not have to do anything with winters in particular, because it's just a ceiling lamp. But a lot of people are ordering this nowadays, and a lot of people search for it because it just looks very good and it has a very aesthetic vibe to it. So if we go on Amazon or any other website like Alibaba to check about it, you can see it's for $39, $24, $12, $15, and it's a very good steal. And as I said, a lot of people are ordering these. Some are even for $107, and people do actually buy it for this much. So I just recommend that you dropship this as well, because I can guarantee that this is going to tend to make you a lot of money. Now that we have the LED ceiling lamp out of the way, let's discuss the one and only, the most used product in the winters, a heating fan. Now, a heater fan is obviously, this goes without saying, everyone wants a heater fan, because a heater fan is your portable heater, and you can basically turn it on with any electricity outlet, and you can keep it anywhere, and it doesn't get you too warm to the point where it actually starts humidity or anything. It just keeps your house at a normal room temperature, and it just keeps you cozy. And obviously anyone and everyone would want this. And in every holiday or winter season, tons and tons of people order this from the stores, because from the stores they get it off very in a good range. And obviously tons and tons of orders are there in winters. And if you go on Amazon or different sites like Alibaba or AliExpress, you can check that all those websites have their heater fans over there, and they're for good prices, like $20, $24. Maximum is going to be like around $50 to $60, and tons of people are order it. So if you start drop shipping for this product, again, I guarantee you that you will make a ton of money, and that is my promise to you, because on the other products I can't guarantee you anything, because it depends on the area or the user. But with the heater fan, it's a universal thing that tons and tons of people are going to order heater fans. So I just recommend that you also check into this. And then last but not least, come the insulator socks. Now, the insulator socks, why are these so trendy? Is because insulator socks just keep your feet warm. Like, what's the most annoying thing when it comes to winters? It's cold feet. Cold feet annoy people a lot. And if they had something that would just keep their feet warm all the time, those are insulator socks. Insulator socks are so thick and so insulated that a lot of people buy this in the winter season. And again, this is a great product to do your drop shipping, because their normal retail price, as you can see, is around $20 to $40, and a lot of people order this. So just trust me, start drop shipping on these 5 products, and I can guarantee you that you will make a lot of money off of them. So yeah, that's all for this video. Those are the top 5 products that you can dropship in the winters. So that was all from me. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content like this, please let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. And that was all from me. Goodbye.